Look at that. I think it works really nice. And each piece has got a little butterfly because it's against the law to make something without butterflies. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well. I have survived the night shift, so today is my first day off straight after the nights. So I thought, let's get up, get a nice coffee, get a really big bottle of water, and let's craft. So I have ordered something for my nephew. My brother lives in Malta, so I bought some toys that are gonna ship to them, and they came wrapped in a beautiful box. And also they put in between the toys, they put this really nice cardstock sheet. It's really thick. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really thick. And the beauty of this card, I'm hoping the camera, the camera will pick it up, I think is recycled cardstock, because on here you can see all the grain of the paper, and you see these little dots. There's blue, pink, red, so it looks like it's recycled, which is fabulous. And then we're going to recycle to make something else, so it's, you know, it's double recycled, if it makes sense. So what I wanted to make today, as you can see from my desk, I got bits and pieces from everywhere, from different creators. I've got some butterfly from, in fact, let me show you here. I got some butterflies from Tina Shabby Dabby Doodle, and also some of her kit. Also got some they're from Happiness in Crafty by GK. I got some, they are the mini embellishment kit. I got some of those. I've got some of the line dot arrow ephemera. I've got some, oh yeah, that's from Gail Agostinelli. Some of the ledger. Also got my own, I made these a long time ago, and if I find a video I will still link in the description down below. They are watercolor paper, like what's the word I miss, marbled, and I made this using some nail varnish, so they are shades of blues. I also got some scraps. So this sort of project, I also got this lovely dry flower from Woolly Steph. She sent me in on Happy Mail a while ago, and I used one unfortunately broke and he died, sorry. I couldn't rescue it. I did apologize to it, but it's gone. And I made two more. So what I wanted to do today, I wanted to make some ATC strips, like snippets. So ATC, they measure 2.5 by 3.5. Okay. So, and I thought you do these in sort of bulk, and then when you need it, you just chop that off, the bottom off, and off you go. And also use my, what's that, 1-inch punch to, you know, to punch the corner, so you get this sort of like tickets effect. So as I say, yeah, 2.5 by 3.5. I already made two. So one is this one. So as you can see, they're quite similar, and I was trying not to cover the cardstock as much. So this is one. And then when you do it, guys, so trying to work like that, so when you stick something and something stay up like that, it doesn't fall over. So when you chop there, you still got that little piece hanging about. And that's the second bit. Look at that. I think it works really nice. And each piece has got a little butterfly, because it's against the law to make something without butterflies. And here I chopped her head off. Oops, but never mind. Again, I did apologize to her as well, so sorry. And on here I've used, where is it, some of my napkin. So you can use anything when you do this sort of project, any scraps, any napkins, paper. I used vintage original stamp there. Again, guys, anything. anything that you want. And then this is the second one, which is more like a blue color, and I use some lace as well. So that's one. And as you can see on the back, I've used the napkin and then worked a way around it. Still a bit wet, but it will dry clear. Two. With these lovely shades of blue. Three. And I use my marble paper in there. I think blue and that rich burgundy works really, really, really nice together. So yeah, so we're gonna make the third strip together. Okay, so there is no rule. There is literally no rule. So you start and then you just go with the flow. It's gonna use one of Gale Ledger. I printed this in reduced scale, and I want to use some more mushrooms. I like mush, but I want to put some lace first. So I've got some Halloween videos coming up next week, and then straight after that we will start with my Christmas makes, because I'm a bit behind this year. Well, every year I say the same. We're gonna make some cards, we're gonna make some gift packaging, we're gonna make some 3D paper craft, we're gonna make some journal embellishments, some Christmas journal. So I've got a lot of things planned in my head. No, mushrooms, we said. Where is he gone? There. So I've got some Halloween project, and I'm showcasing, I've got 3 videos coming up, and I'm showcasing 3 digital kits from 3 digital designers. So watch out. I'm not a big Halloween fan. I never been, to be fair. As I don't know if I mentioned a few times that when I grew up, when I was a teenager, I grew up in Italy, and there is not a culture. Am I in shot? There's not a culture of Halloween, so it's not celebrated at all. So yeah, so I never felt like it was one of the celebration. When I moved to UK, although here it's bigger than it is in Italy, again, it's something then I'm not bothered about, but Jamie is. So he's got all his Halloween decoration out downstairs. Bless him. It's like a little boy. 32 years old, but acts like a teenager. No, he's very mature, but it's, bless him, it's just very sweet. So yeah. In fact, no, I want to use some of these napkins again. So when you do this project, I found this project very, very relaxing, because there is, as I said, there is no rules. So you can do anything that you like. And you just use all your scraps. So all these kits that I'm using today, they were just literally sheets of papers that were just hanging about, and I thought, oh God, what can I do with those? What can I do with those? And I've not been making ATC for a very long time, so I thought, let's make some. I want to put that in there. The thing is, yeah. Put some glue on the back. There. So yeah, I'm hoping that you guys will like my Halloween projects. They're coming up soon. And then straight after that, we're going full on Christmas. I like this actually. Sold at 5 cents per cake. I love that. We're going to put that in there. You can put like sentiments like love, strength, peace, etc, etc. I don't really have any of that printed off, and the point of this project is to use up the scraps, so I'm not going to print more. Now, where is she gonna stay? There. She's gonna stay there. And when I glue my butterflies, I don't know if you notice, guys, I always just put some glue on the body and then I lift up the wings so it looks like 3D that she's flying about. There. So I use the back of my paintbrush there. So that's 2. And then the third, what should we do? I want to use this again. So yeah. Don't like this little top bit there. Perfect. What's gonna say? Oh yeah, Christmas. I've got so many ideas I want to do. Last year work got so busy and everything is slipped out of the way, so this year I'm trying to be more organized, and also, guys, it's all about enjoying the time to do it. So as you know, I'm a retail manager. I have an amazing team. I love my team. They are really, really hard working. They do literally anything for me, and vice versa. So I'm hoping this year I will have more time to enjoy my Christmas crafting and enjoy the time, because Christmas for us, if you work in retail, if you've got somebody that works in retail, it's the busiest time of the year. So, you know, we never get proper break. And although they said, yeah, this company's giving this day off, this company's giving this day off and such, I can guarantee you guys we're not getting any extra day off. They're just moving us, so they give us Saturday off, which is the day of Boxing Day, and you know, it just had to move your shift, so it's not an extra day off as they published it like. But never mind. I'm on a good wage for what we need at the moment, and it's also, you know, the point that we're doing now, we're saving up every penny to the biohouse in Italy, because that's our future. So I don't mind working silly hours because I know it's paying off, and you know, it's all the money that's going into the house that we want to have in Italy. So I think I am done. Don't know if it needs a number. That's what it needs. Number. But I don't think I've got any cutting off. I've got a sheet here. What number should we have? Should we have a number 5? Oops, that is my favorite number. It's my lucky number. So we're gonna have a 5 there. So yeah, I am looking forward to my Christmas crafting. I'm hoping I get some nice evening for relaxing. I work every other weekend, so I work alternate Saturday and Sunday. So I will definitely be relaxing and trying to get some Christmas crafting sorted. What do you guys think? So that's the strip finished. Let me just get this out of the way, because if not, it sinks on the bottom. There. So let me move everything out of the way so you guys can see it properly. So that's 1, 2, love these, and number 3. So I'm gonna put all the strips on the desk so you can see the 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I think I can pick a favorite now because I love them all, literally love them all. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I hoping I give you some ideas to how to use your scraps and create this ATC snippets roll, let's call it like that. If you did like this project, guys, please give me a big thumbs up. That's what I'm asking. And if you like it, please share my video. That will support my channel. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.